Welcome to a recipe for a vegan lentil burger. Here you can see all the ingredients. I also link them in the description below. First, we put half an onion with 3 tablespoons of crumbs of bread or crackers in a bowl. We add spices, salt, pepper, turmeric. We smash the lentils, which are about half a cup of lentils, with a fork. You can use a blender if you have. I do the simple version with the fork and the hands. We add 3 tablespoons of flour. If possible, you can use whole grain flour. We add 2 tablespoons of blend butter in a frying pan and start to make some burgers with a mix of lentils and onion, flour, spices. Here we go. It's very easy and simple, so you won't have any troubles. You can now choose a bread, plant-based bread, or chapati, which I do here, and add some guacamole, some tomatoes, some tahini sauce, and of course the lentil burger. So now we are creating a super tasty, healthy burger. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.